Exercise 1.1. So our first question is, following number line shows the temperature in degrees Celsius at different places on a particular day. So here we are having a number line where different places are marked on different temperatures. So now let us start the question. In our first question, our first part is, observe this number line and write the temperature of the places marked on it. Here you have to observe this number line which it shows. So let us complete our number line before getting into question. So 0, we know on right hand side we mark positive integers and on left hand side we mark negative integer. So let's first complete this number line. It will make easy. On left hand side we'll mark negative integers. By marking this, it will be easy for us to solve our questions. So now let us solve it. In our first part, it is asking us to observe the number line and write the temperature of the places marked on it. So the first place marked on the number line is Lahul Spiti, and I have mentioned on all the places here. Now our next step is to mention the temperature. So Lahul Spiti's temperature is this, and this depicts -8 degree. So the temperature here is -8 degrees Celsius. So next place is Srinagar, and the temperature of Srinagar is -2 degrees Celsius. -2 degrees Celsius. Next is Shimla. Where is Shimla? Shimla is marked here on 5. So the temperature of Shimla is 5 degrees Celsius. When the places were to the left of the 0, the temperature came in negative. So we put negative sign before writing temperature. So next is Ooty. Ooty is marked at 14. So 14 degrees Celsius. Next Bengaluru. Bengaluru is marked at 22. So the temperature of Bengaluru is 22 degrees Celsius. This is our first part. Now let's see our second part. Our second part is, what is the temperature difference between the hottest and the coldest place among the above? Here we are having 5 places and we have to tell the difference between the hottest and the coldest place. Now which one is hottest and which one is coldest place? So the place with lowest temperature will be coldest, and the place with highest temperature will be hottest. Now here we have to find difference between hottest and the coldest place. So hottest place minus coldest one. So here which is hottest? That is having highest temperature. And which is coldest? Having lowest temperature. Here the highest temperature is of Bengaluru, that is 22 degrees Celsius. So 22 degrees Celsius minus, and the coldest that is having lowest temperature is Lahul Spiti, that is -8 degrees Celsius, -8 degrees Celsius. So here 22 minus and minus becomes +8. So 22 plus 8 is equals to 30 degrees Celsius. So this is the temperature difference between the highest and the coldest. Next part is, what is the temperature difference between Lahul Spiti and Srinagar? So here the temperature of Lahore Spiti is minus 8 degrees Celsius and Srinagar is minus 2 degrees Celsius. Now we have to find the difference between these two. So minus 8 minus 2. So minus 8 here, minus becomes plus 2. So minus 8 plus 2, here we will perform subtraction 6 and the sign will be negative as the highest value digit in our solution is negative. Let's move on to our next part. So our next question is asking, can we say temperature of Srinagar and Shimla taken together is less than the temperature in Shimla? You have to tell whether the temperature of Srinagar and Shimla taken together is less than or greater than the temperature at Shimla. So our first step would be finding temperature of Srinagar and Shimla. So first step is to find the temperature of Srinagar and Shimla. That is, we have to find the total temperature of Srinagar and Shimla. The temperature of Srinagar is minus 2 degrees Celsius and temperature of Shimla is 5 degrees Celsius. So temperature of Srinagar is minus 2 and temperature of Shimla is 5. That is, the temperature here, it is negative, it is positive, so we will perform subtraction. So minus 2 plus 5 will be 3. Here 3 will be positive as our biggest integer is having positive sign. So what our question was asking? Our question is saying, can we say temperature of Srinagar and Shimla taken together is less than the temperature of Shimla? Let's see whether it is less than or not. We got temperature of Srinagar and Shimla together 3 degrees Celsius, whether the temperature of Shimla is 5 degrees Celsius. So our question is, can we say temperature of Srinagar and Shimla taken together is less than? So our answer will be yes, we can say. Okay, so the next part of our question is it also less than the temperature at Srinagar? So what is the temperature at Srinagar? The temperature at Srinagar is minus 2 degrees Celsius and the temperature of these two places taken together is 3 degrees Celsius, and we know that positive integers are always greater than negative integers. So answer to the second part will be no. No, we can't say that the temperature of Shimla and Srinagar together is less than the temperature of Srinagar. In question number 2, in a quiz, positive marks are given for correct answers and negative marks are given for incorrect answers. Here, positive marks are given for correct answer. That is, when a student will answer correctly, he or she will get positive marks, and when he will answer incorrect, he will get negative marks. Now, here is a person named Jack. If Jack's scores in 5 successive rounds were these are the scores that Jack got in 5 successive rounds. Let us write here 25 minus 5 minus 10, 15 and 10. This is the score of Jack that Jack got in 5 successive rounds. And what our question is saying, what was his total score at the end? We have to find the total score of Jack at the end of this quiz. So how you will find? You will find by adding them all. So 25 plus this one is minus 5 plus minus 10 plus 15 plus 10. This is the score of 5 successive rounds. So let us solve it. How you will solve this? First, get the total of positive integer one side and the total of negative on other side. So here let's take them. 25 plus 15 plus 10 plus minus 5 plus minus 10. So 25 plus 15, that is 25, 30, 5, 5, 10, 30 plus 10, 40, 40 plus 10, 50, plus minus 5 and minus 10, minus 15. Now subtracted. 50 minus 15, how will minus? 50 minus 10, 40, 40 minus 5, 35. So the total score of Jack at the end of the quiz is 35. This is how you will solve your second question.